Hey friend, welcome back to my channel, Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. And today we have a first impressions and we have a demo on Rihanna's Cheeks Out Freestyle Bronzer. I have the color chocolate, so we're going to be bronzing with this today. And I also picked up one of her matchsticks in the color Cinnamon, so we're going to highlight with this today. So let's get into it. Let's open this up and get into the first impressions. I just got this yesterday, so I haven't even opened it. Of course, I haven't used it. So I just took it out of the box. It's a really pretty glam sort of package. It just says cream on the front and it's in rose gold. This will look really pretty on your vanity just to sit, really. So that's really nice packaging. And this is a pretty color. So this is the color that I got, which is chocolate. Looking at this, I kind of wish I would have got the one that's a little darker than this, but we'll see. We'll see. Has a cute mirror here. Just take this plastic off of it so we can get right into this video. Let me swatch this. Let me swatch this on my hand before I start going in on my face, so you guys can kind of see. Okay, so it is pretty dark, but I hope it's warm. I really like, when it comes to bronzers, I do like it to have a little bit of a red undertone. This one, I don't know, let's just get into it. Let's get into it. The next item that I brought was a matchstick, and this is in the color Cinnamon. It's such a cute package to me because it looks very convenient. It can fit anywhere. It's a stick formula, so it's easy to apply. You don't even really need a brush. Your fingers and the stick, and that's probably it. This is the first time that I've tried any of her matchsticks. I know I'm late. But this color is really pretty. Look at that. That is gonna look good on my skin. Yes, ma'am. All right, so let's go ahead and bronze our skin, highlight our skin, and get ready for the summer. Okay, because I mean, I don't care what they say, there's gonna be a summer. This thing's gonna go away. We're gonna be able to go outside freely, do our thing, be cute, be popping, be highlighted, you know? I promise. I promise. I'm gonna go in with a brush first. I'm gonna use this brush that I normally use to do contour and see how that applies. It has a mirror here, so I can just use that. And can you guys see? You should be able to see. All right, so let's go in. Okay. Okay, I see you. This is the color's a little different from what I am used to as far as bronzers. Let me go in. It says it's buildable because right now it's looking really sheer and I do want a little bit more color. So let me kind of just go in. All right, so there it is. All right, so I'm just gonna blend that into my hairline and blend this sort of upward into my cheeks, my temple. Okay. This is really light. Like I don't feel anything on my face. But I can see it though. Okay, I like this color. It's a nice natural bronze. You do have to build it though, because it's very sheer. So you have to go in with a brush. You can use your fingers. Oh yeah, this is a pretty color. Get it around your temples here. Try not to do too much on my forehead because my forehead is flat anyway. All right. Okay. I see you, Rihanna. I see you. This formula is really great because it feels so lightweight. With cream products, a lot of people are afraid of cream products. But this is, I would say, beginner friendly because it is so sheer. So you don't have to worry about going in with one swatch and it being too much. This, you absolutely have to build it. So it's very beginner friendly, I would say. All right, so we just bronze it up some more. Bring something right in here. Coming a little closer so you can get a better view of the shade. You see that? To me, this is a nice contour color versus bronzing because, you know, like I mentioned, I like for my bronzer to be be a little bit more red because it's bronzing my face. This gives me a glowy, you know, bronzy look. With this is a really great color to contour. It doesn't have as much reds as my normal cream bronze that I use, which is actually a foundation stick by Juvia's Place, and it's called Katsina. So that's what I normally use to bronze my skin because it has that little bit of a red, you know, kick to it, and it looks like a bronzer. This is a really great contour color, but I wonder, now I'm curious as to what that darker color would look like, if it had more red undertones or not, but we'll see. All right, so I'm going to now do my nose, and I'm going to contour like the crease of my eyes with this, just so you guys can see that. This is going to be a great nose contour, I'm almost positive. Yep, it really is. I can tell because this is not too red. When it comes to the nose, if it doesn't have any red undertone, that's probably better. But I'm gonna blend it up into my eyebrows. And I like to just use my hands and blend that out. To me, it comes off a little bit more natural. Wow. Am I even breathing? My nose got so skinny. My nose got so skinny. All right, so now let's go ahead and go into the crease of the eye. It's gorgeous in these areas. Like, it really defines my face. This is really nice. This is a really great contour cream. It's supposed to be bronzing, but in my opinion, it's for contour. This can really chisel out your face for sure. I would use both of these. I would use the my normal stick that I use to bronze my face, which is the Juvia's Place, and this. So I would use the Juvia's Place to bronze it, and if I really want to chisel out my face and bring structure and shape, I would use this because the color for my skin, to me, is better to contour with. As you guys can see, look at my nose. I really like this formula. It's so lightweight and it's not greasy, because normally on my eyelids, because my skin is oily, that part can get kind of oily and greasy, and I don't really see it happening with this. It's cream, but once applied and it dries, it's almost like a powder. So I can afford to put it in the creases of my eye because it's not greasy at all. Look how my skin looks. My skin looks so good. I am by a window, so I'm getting natural light, and I have my little ring light turned down. So far so good. I really like this. Really like this. Where else do I want to put it? Let me put a little on my chin. Just to define it. This looks good. My nose looks so good. So good. Now let's grab the matchstick so we can start adding a little bit cream glow to the skin. Here's the matchstick. I forgot to scroll it up before, but this is how much product is in it. I feel like it can last you a long time. It's such a gorgeous color. I'm gonna just apply it straight to my skin from the tube and see how that works out, because I've never used this before. So let's see how it does. Get some close, a little closer for you guys. Oh yes, this is pretty. Let's go up here. I think I'm gonna use my fingers to like blend it out. That's really nice. I hope you guys can see it. I'm just tapping it on my skin because I don't want to go in too much. This is also pretty lightweight. See that? I like that. Let me try it on the other side. This is a natural glow, like a really natural glow. Absolutely love this. This color is definitely for darker complexions. This is really nice. Okay, skin. Let's go down the bridge of my nose with it a little bit. well, just this part of my nose and then like the tip. That is beautiful. Let's highlight to keep it control. Oh yes, girl. This is really pretty. This is pretty in a very little effort way. Like you want to go out, you want to look like you tried, but you don't want to look like you did too much. This is actually the look. This is a great look. There's no eyeshadow. It's just the cream bronze in my creases, bronze my skin all over. This is a nice everyday sort of look. I love this. I love this color. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I'm gonna go ham so you guys can kind of see how this thing works. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so pretty. It blends out really easy with your fingers. I think I'm only going to use my fingers to do this. Oh, and it's highlight this part too. I do this thing with no effort. No effort. That's how this looks. This looks like, hey, did you wake up like that? Is it the sun? Maybe it's Maybelline? No, no, okay. I love this. Let's do the other side. So I applied it a little heavier than I normally would, just so you guys can see, but it's still gorgeous in person. But I just want you guys to see the effect of this and how much you can build it up or you can tone it down. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am so glowy. Listen, I need to put this stick down because I really don't need any more, okay? So this is how my face is looking so far. Super glowy, very pretty and natural, everyday. Let's go ahead and add some blush. I recently got a new blush from, I bought it from Ulta. It's by Juvia's Place. It's called Bella. So let's add some color to that and just complete this look. So you just tap that in. Gotta be careful with Juvia's Place's eyeshadows, blushes, anything, because the pigment is so high, okay? Very much pigmented. So let's flush these cheeks a little. See, I'm putting it right over that highlight. Woo! See, that blush just added a little bit of youthfulness to my face. Just got to be really careful. But this color I feel like would look good on so many complexions. From light to medium to dark to deep. It would show up on every complexion. You just have to know how much to apply and what brush to use. If the brush is too densely packed, it's gonna come off too bright, too pigmented, unless you want it that way. So I just have a very fluffy brush with not as many hairs in it. So it just gives me the perfect flush of color. And I really love this look. I love this. I went ahead and just took the ponytail out so I can give you guys a vibe, give you this fresh face. This is a very simple, everyday look. This look can go to the grocery store if you're, you know, if you're prissy like that. You can go to the grocery store, you can go to the mall, you can go anywhere, a wedding, anything. This is a nice, simple, fresh face, and this is natural. This is what most people want to achieve, is a natural look. And with the matchsticks and the cream contour and the blush together, this look is banging. It's a look, girl. Let me pose a little bit. It's a look. It's like, again, I do this thing without any effort. I woke up like this, just like this. Yeah, I did. Who? I did. I did. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them right in the comments. Don't forget to come back and bring your friends, your cousin baby daddy, bring all of them and subscribe, because you don't want to piss me off. You don't want to piss me off. Bye guys.